Welcome back for another Solana price prediction analysis, and in this video I will be sharing my next price targets, give you reasons why Solana can see a break above the $27 mark in the next coming hours, and also share my trade setup here on the Solana chart. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Solana is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up to the next key area of resistance at around the $27 mark. And the moment we see a break above that key area of resistance, we can watch out for a successful retest, then continue gearing up to the upper side. Solana has also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where we have been seeing a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 4, in a move that has now fully maximized minimum retracement areas highlighted on the charts using this yellow target area. We have also seen a reaction of the target area and started gearing up to a point that Solana has now seen a break above this descending trend line that we have here on the charts. And you can see that after breaking above this trend line that I have on the charts, we have now seen a successful retest, and there are high chances that in the next coming hours this is going to gain momentum and continue gearing up to the next key area of resistance at around the $27 mark, get a successful retest, continue gearing up, and also fully maximize minimum target areas in the formation of this wave 5, which is what we expect after seeing a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 4. And to give you minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 5, before I give you minimum target areas to the upper side in the formation of that wave 5, allow me to give you a recap of what has been happening since the 10th of June, when we saw this massive breakdown to the lower side, giving us a low at around the $12.95 mark. And afterwards we started a very nice recovery, where we first peaked in the formation of this wave 1, then a wave 2, then we saw this impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3, then a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 4, and soon I'm expecting the start of an impulse in the formation of this wave 5, and giving you minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 5 using a trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that wave 3. I get a minimum target area at the fib level 0.618, and that is at around the $35.85 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect Solana to do to the upper side in the formation of that wave 5. And that is what I'm keeping my eyes on here on the short term. The moment we see a break above resistance at around the $27 mark, maybe followed with a successful retest, there are high chances that then Solana can see a break above the $35 mark as a minimum target area in the formation of that wave 5. To also zoom out to give you my long-term point of view on the Solana chart since the December lows, you can see that after seeing the December lows, we peaked in a 5-wave structure, having the wave 5 giving us a high at around the $26.88 mark, completing the formation of this wave 1. Then we saw a breakdown move in the formation of this wave 2 into the minimum retracement area highlighted on the chart using this yellow target area, and there are high chances that we have a low in place for that wave 2, and we have started that reaction to the upper side in the start of an impulse in the formation of this wave 3. And since we are in the formation of that wave 3, which is impulsive, I'm also expecting to see a 5-wave structure in formation, and that's the reason as to why you can see that I have this micro Elliot wave count in red, and that is what I'm expecting on the short term and also on the long term here on the Solana chart. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 57 mark, fully supporting higher prices. On the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.